my name cause I got a bag. Try to hate cause I'm up, bitches down bad. Never really give a fuck cause I got a dad. Oh, hold on, wait, whoa. That's why you bitches out some hoes. It's on the dick but never on the dough. No, whoa, it's a man's way. Dumb niggas, it's a man's way. Do the dance, call it man's way. Dumb niggas, it's a man's way. Yeah, man's way, nigga, I'm the greatest. Can't keep up, y'all bitches moving basic. Already got the vision, y'all niggas need some laces. Nah, I got them tripping out, just some day-to-day shit. Go get some papers. I said go get some papers. Stop tripping and go get some papers. Shit, go get your papers.
Something's like new.
Morris Snail and Timothy Grub, Swanee and Blue and Emily Grub decided one day to go into the wood and build them a house and live there if they could. And they stayed there a while in the trees and the rain, till one day two blue men said, "You're all insane, and to please not come here again." They had a green car called Happiness Runs. Friday comes and happiness runs out of petrol, and everyone gets out to push and suddenly see through a gap in the bush a real caravan just like the one in their dreams. The gypsy doesn't want it, for nowadays it seems his home stays in one place and gleams. He told them that he had a horse down the lane. Saturday morning they went back again. He showed them a shed that was built out of tin. He opened the door and they all peered within.
Ooh, that's pretty good first track.
Thank you.